Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung Tank Water-Ref Part DA97-17395A. Samsung Tank Water-Ref Part DA97-17395A is a water tank assembly for Samsung refrigerators. It is a genuine OEM part and is used to store cold water in the refrigerator. The tank holds up to 6.5 gallons of water and is made of durable plastic. It includes the float, valve, and tubing that are necessary for proper operation. This part helps ensure that your refrigerator has a steady supply of cold water for drinking or making ice cubes. It also helps keep your refrigerator running efficiently by preventing the buildup of sediment in the tank. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Samsung Tank Water-Ref Part DA97-17395A is a replacement water filter for select Samsung refrigerators. It helps to reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as sediment, rust, and other impurities from the water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the water supply to the refrigerator. 2. Disconnect the water line from the back of the refrigerator. 3. Remove the old filter from its housing by turning it counterclockwise. 4. Insert the new filter into its housing and turn it clockwise until it is securely in place. 5. Reconnect the water line to the back of the refrigerator and turn on the water supply. 6. Flush out any air bubbles in the line by running a few gallons of water through it until it runs clear. 7. Reset your refrigerator's filter indicator light, if applicable, according to. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.